All right, so this is one of those updates you definitely cannot sleep on. It's been about 24 hours since OpenAI has announced their new image generation feature. And yes, it is as wild as it sounds. You can now create full ad style product images with just one single prompt. So whether you're running a supplement brand, a clothing brand, or anything in between, this is for you. This officially just changed the game. And today I'll be quickly showing you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. So first things first, you want to make sure you head over to ChatGPT and you want to make sure that you're using the GPT 4.0 model right here. All right. First thing we're going to do is hit these three dots right here and we're going to press create image. Next thing we're going to do, we're just going to upload any type of photo in here for the product. This could be a render, a mock-up, a flat lay, a lifestyle photo. It varies what you can put in here, but you just want to go ahead and upload it or paste it into here. And after that, we're going to go ahead and paste a prompt that I created. All right, so we have the product uploaded. So next we're going to go ahead and just paste in the prompt. Before we move forward, I want to tell you guys, I just want to give you a heads up. AI is pretty much taking over everything. And a lot of jobs are going to get replaced. One way that you could get ahead of the curve is learning how to prompt engineer, right? So I actually created this prompt utilizing ChatGPT. I actually use Claude for this, which is very similar. It's another LLM. But yeah, just make sure you're on top of your prompt engineering. The more you can tell ChatGPT what to do, the better results you're going to get. So let's go ahead and press enter. As you can see here, it's getting started creating the image. And probably just take a few seconds to maybe a couple of minutes. As you can see here, it's starting to reveal what it came up with. But let's give it a few more seconds and see what it does. All right, so we see what it came up with. Finally, Waterworth smuggling with cheese and gold. And it obviously says Saratoga sparkling. I think it's a pretty solid ad, right? Great start. It's definitely not the finished product. I think I can make a few changes. So I'll just show you exactly how you can make some changes to this. So like I said before, prompt engineering is very important. So I'm just going to make an update for the prompt. All right, as we can see here, this is their update right there. I think just a few changes. What I can add is tell them the tagline I want to include. Just add more information. Like I said, prompt engineering is very important. The better you get at that, the better results you're going to get. We're going to go ahead and create an image for a clothing brand. All right, so in this video, I'm actually going to use a new prompt. And what we're going to do is pretty much just upload a static image of another brand. And we're just going to pretty much repurpose it for my brand. It's very simple. And as you can see here, I went ahead and uploaded a photo from another brand. I just screenshotted this. And I went ahead and only uploaded a flat lay mockup that I created on Canva or Photoshop. I forgot which one. And here's the new prompt I have. Repurpose this ad, but use a smile hoodie set for the brand called Y'all Need Jesus and change the copy to match product. So we'll just put this prompt in and let's see what it does. All right, and just like that, we have a new model, a new photo. As we can see here, it's not perfect, but I think it's a very good start. This is actually crazy. This is crazy. This is insane. Let me show you the difference between this and what I originally, the hoodies were actually selling. But I think this is amazing. All I would have to do is go into Photoshop and just, wipe this out and put on the actual design. But yeah, you can actually probably run an entire ad on this one right here, after you adjust a couple of things. But it is an amazing start. But yeah, this just saved me a photo shoot. That could be anywhere from $100 to $500, just depending on the photographer, the models you're working with. I don't have to schedule anything to work with the models. It pretty much just did 90% of the work, and I just got to finish up the rest and touch up a couple of things. And wow, this, like I said, this is insane. It could get really, really wild. Do your due diligence and just play around with it, right? Like I said, the better you get at the prompts and making the edits and the changes, the better results you're gonna get. And this was great right here. So once again, let me just show you what I included in the prompt. Just a photo like here from White Fox, only available at whitefoxboutique.com. And I uploaded this mock-up right here. That's all I uploaded. And this simple prompt right here, reproduce the ad, and this is what it came out with. I think that's a very good job right here. Obviously, this is a mistake because this is on the front of the pants. But yeah, it gets a few things, off, like product, the packaging. There might be some typos over there. But like I said, if you're good at Photoshop, if you're good at Canva, if you can outsource it to somebody on Fiverr or Freelancer, you could go a very long way. And I'm actually very excited to play around with this. This is still the beginning, but it is a major shift. And here's the thing about AI. It updates every 30 to 90 days. In the AI world, it's like 1 to 5 years of progress. So while I don't think it's going to completely replace photographers and designers just yet, I still think it's a huge step forward. The results are already crazy, and they're only going to get better, faster, and more useful. Use it now to test, prototype, and stay ahead of the curve. If this video helps you in any way, drop a comment below. I definitely want to keep sharing these type of tools that are going to help you grow your brand. And don't forget to like and subscribe.